Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about grief and sorrow, which relates to the respiratory system. The respiratory system is day 5 of intuitive anatomy, and this is a really powerful day because your respiratory system is absolutely amazing. So it actually takes in oxygen from the environment, and with your blood it spreads the oxygen throughout your whole body, giving your body the life force, giving your body energy to be able to do what it needs to do. So your respiratory system is really amazing, and anytime somebody's got issues related to their lungs, it always relates to old grief and sorrow. So it could be the death of a loved one, somebody that you cared about, could have been death of a pet, it could have been, relationship breakups, those sorts of situations. It can even be anything that you think is a traumatic experience. And so it could be that, a business venture going wrong. It could be losing, money in some sort of investment. Anything that you take on as grief and anything that you feel sorrow for gets stored into the lungs. So it's really important to be releasing that old grief and sorrow. Old grief and sorrow, all it does is just hold you down and actually limits your ability to fully be who you are. Like if you're not getting the full breath, then it limits what you can do. And so it's really important that you're allowing yourself to release old grief and sorrow. So what we're going to do is teach you what it feels like to let go of grief and sorrow. Teach you what it feels like to let go of old grief and sorrow. And that it's safe and possible for you to let go of grief and sorrow in a loving and easy way. And knowing that you can allow yourself to grieve and release old grief and sorrow easily and effortlessly. And the other thing that we want to do is teach you that you can release your old grief and sorrow without having to relive it. Knowing that it's safe and possible for you to move forward beyond your old grief and sorrow, and knowing that you can actually let it go, and knowing who you are without that old grief and sorrow. The other thing that we want to do there too is just teach you what it feels like to know that the Creator is always taking care of you, that the Creator is there for you, and whatever it is that has caused you pain and sorrow in the past, that you know who you are without it and that you can let go of it easily. So the other thing that we want to do is teach you what it feels like to trust your connection with the Creator, to know that you're amazing and know that everything is possible for you. So if you'd like to receive these downloads, and just say yes. Great. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you'll be notified of upcoming videos that we post. And share it with people that you care about. Share it with people that it can help. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.